Well, you've had a lot of saags in the past, especially with mustard leaves and spinach leaves. But this one, trust me, is very different. Mooli ke patton ka saag. Let's begin. Well, mooli ke patte, for the uninitiated, are radish leaves. Well, radish leaves come in two forms. One is, of course, with the entire radish at the end, and the other one is just like a bunch with lots of leaves and with baby radishes. Well, I could not lay my hands on that, so I'm using these for now. But this one has the long radish, which also I'm kind of using in this recipe. Now, these leaves are slightly tougher, they're slightly fibrous, if at all, and only if you want to balance it. I'm actually using a souring, which is tomato, keeping it very, very, very general, basic, and home style. Let's begin with cleaning the leaves and pressure cooking them. Let's take these washed leaves and roughly cut them like so and transfer these straight into the pressure cooker. Let's add in pieces of radish, and I'm deliberately keeping it on one side because later we'll be removing those. Time to add in some banana peppers. Well, these are not spicy, but they add in a wonderful nuance of flavor. To this, let's add in a cupful of water and pressure cook this under 3 whistles. While the leaves are getting cooked, let's quickly start prepping a couple of ingredients, beginning with red onions and move on to green chilies and tomatoes. And with this, of course, the flame. Allow the pressure in the cooker to subside completely, and after which we'll open and check. Let's carefully remove the pieces of radish and mash the rest of the ingredients. With this, our radish leaf mash is done and ready. Let's now move on to the tempering process. And for this, I'm going to actually use mustard oil. Let's begin with a couple of dried red chillies. And along with this, chopped onions and green chilies. Let's cook this till the onions begin to golden brown in color, and then we'll add in the rest of the ingredients. Time to add in paste of ginger and garlic. Let's stir this and cook this to ensure that the raw flavor goes away. Let's add in the chopped tomatoes, and along with this, the spices. Turmeric powder, a touch of red chili powder, and along with this, garam masala. Let's mix this well and cook this till the tomatoes just kind of begin to turn mushy. Time to add in the pulped radish leaves. To ensure the water and the fiber come together, I'm going to add in gram flour, along with this, the boiled radish, and finally, salt. Let's mix all of this together. Allow this to simmer for around 8 to 9 minutes on low flame. And with this, your mooli ke patton ka saag is done and ready. With this, ladies and gentlemen, mooli ke patton ka saag is done and ready. And trust me, do not wait for anyone and anything. You can have this with puris, you can have this with lachha parathas, you can have this with roti, butter roti, naan, garlic naan. The choice is completely yours. The whole idea is to make this for your family and friends. And remember me. Bye for now.